In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing Fortnite on a Nintendo Switch or an Xbox console, and you would like to transfer your progress over to both of these consoles, then I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly do this. To start, go over to the Fortnite website. So go to fortnite.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone. In here, sign in to the Epic Games account that you use to play Fortnite. So this is essentially the Fortnite account that you use. When you are signed in, click on your name and then go over to account. When you click on account, you will be able to go over to apps and accounts and then access the accounts category. As the name suggests, this is where you will be able to connect various different accounts. And as you can see, they have Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo account. So if you usually play on a Nintendo Switch, your Nintendo account will already be connected. You don't need to remove it. If you would like to make sure that your progress from the Nintendo Switch version of Fortnite gets carried over to Xbox, all that you have to do is link the Xbox account. If you have the Xbox account and the Nintendo account linked simultaneously, the progress will be shared between them. And of course, you can do the same with PlayStation. So when you play on your Xbox console and then you go back to your Nintendo account, all of the progress that you have made, all of your V-Bucks, the Battle Pass, everything will be transferred over. So all that you have to do is click connect. As you can see, I already have an Xbox account connected. So I'm gonna show you this example with Twitch. But you click connect under Xbox, you will be redirected to this page where you can confirm the email address that you are using, and after this is done, you will be redirected into the Microsoft website, where you can sign in with your account. Sadly, I cannot show you this full process on screen, but after this is done, both accounts will be linked and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.